Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today. Today it's a special day, Friday the 13th of December. We have two Sudokus, a Sudoku Light and a freaky heavy Sudoku. But we will start with the Sudoku Light. Let me position the camera. Alright. Yes. Alright. Let's get started. A lot of sevens, so we will start with the 7, 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, only place for the 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for a 7 is here or there, but I see here already a 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 7 is here. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So in the middle column, the only two places for a 7 is here or there, but I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes. Alright. A 3 in this row, a 3 in that row. So in the middle row, the only place for a 3 is here. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in this column, the only place for a 3 should be here. Then a 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for a 3 is here. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for a 3 is here. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for a 3 is here or there, but I see here 3. No 3 there, 3 should be here. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Yes. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So in the column between, the only two places for a 4 is here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the second row, 4 in the third row. So in the first row, the only two places for a 4 is here or there. But I see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for a 4 is here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the third column. So in the second column, the only place for the 4 is here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So in the middle column, the only two places for a 4 is here or there, but I see here 4, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Okay. 1 in this row, 1 in that row. So in the row between, the only place for a 1 is here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So in the middle column, the only place for a 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for a 1 is here. 1 in this column, 1 in the first column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for a 1 is here or there, but I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for a 1 is here or there, but I see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. Then a 6 in this column, a 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 6 is here. In this big square, one of the missing number is a 6. I see here 6, so no 6 there. I see there 6, so no 6 there. Only place for the 6 is here. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So in the column between, I made a mistake. I made a mistake. This cannot be right. 6. 6. Ah, no. This is not the 6 in this place because we have a 6 over there. So in this big square, one of the missing number is a 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 over there, so no 6 in this box. Only place for the 6 should be here. So this is not correct. No 6 in this box. We have a 6 in here. So it's here or there. But now we have a 6 over there. So this cannot be a 6. This must be a 6. Alright. One mistake. This big square, one of the missing number is a 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6, this one. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in this column, the only place for the 6 is here. And all the 6's are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Then can we do something with the 2? Yes, a 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 2 is here. 2 in this row, column, 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 2 is here. 2 in this row, 2 in the row above. So in this row, the only place for the 2 must be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for the 2 is here. And all the 2's are used. I can see, yes. Then the 9 in this row, column, the 9 in the last column, so in the column between, the only place for the 9 is here. 1 box is left for this big square for the number 9. 2 boxes left for this big square for the numbers 9 and 5. We have a 9 there, so no 9 here, 9 must be here. The 5 goes there. 2 boxes left for this big square. For the numbers 8 and 9, we have a 9 there, so no 9 here, 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 2 boxes left for this big square. For the numbers 5 and 8, we have an 8 there, so no 8 here, 8 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 boxes left for this big square. For the numbers 8 and 5, we have a 5 here, so no 5 here, 5 should be there, and the 8 goes there. 1 number left for this big square. For the number 8, 2 numbers left for this big square. For the numbers 8 and 5, we have a 5 there, so no 5 here, 5 should be here, and this mistake is an 8. This is an 8. 1 box is left for this big square. For the number 8, 1 box is left for this row. For the number 5, 1 box is left for this column. For number 9, 1 box left, the final box for this big square is number 8. So we finished this in 11 minutes. Alright people, if you like it, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. I've made a mistake. Apologies. Mistakes can happen. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I will see you later with the following Sudoku, a heavy freaky Sudoku. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.